Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GitHub Actions for CI/CD pipelines, detailed guides. In this video, we will guide you through configuring GitHub Actions for continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. First, open your GitHub repository where you want to set up the CI/CD pipeline. Next, navigate to that Actions tab located at the top of the repository page. GitHub will suggest a few workflows based on your project type. For custom workflows, click on the option that says Set up a workflow yourself. This will open, for example, name, CI/CD pipeline will give your workflow a clear title. Next, define when your workflow should run using the on key. Common events include push for code commits or pull_request for pull requests. You can also trigger workflows on specific branches by specifying them in an array format. Now, it's time to define the jobs within your workflow. Use the Jobs key to start defining the tasks that will run during the CI/CD process. To create a job, name it under the Jobs section, for instance, Build. Assign it to run on a specific virtual environment, like Ubuntu latest. Next, add the Steps key beneath your job definition. Each step represents a single unit of work in the job. The first step should typically check out your repository code. You can achieve this by using that actions/checkout at v2 action. After checking out the code, add steps to set up your environment, like installing dependencies. For example, if you are using Node.js, you might run npm install to install your package dependencies. Then, add testing steps to run your test suite and ensure your code works as expected. For instance, you might use npm test for a JavaScript project. If your tests pass, you can add steps for deployment. Here, you may include a step that uploads built artifacts or deploys directly to a server. To ensure each step runs based on the success of previous steps, utilize the if condition where necessary. Make sure to validate your YAML configuration for any syntactical errors. Once satisfied, commit the changes and push them to your GitHub repository. To see your workflow in action, navigate back to the Actions tab. From here, you can monitor the status of your CI/CD pipeline. Review the logs for each step to troubleshoot any issues that arise during execution. With these steps completed, your GitHub Actions CI/CD pipeline is now configured and ready to automate your build, test, and deployment process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.